हेडलाइंस आपने मुलाहिजा की। बुलेटिन का बाकायदा आगाज करेंगे और सबसे पहले आपको बताएंगे कि नायब वजीर आजम इसहाक डार ने कहा है कि पाकिस्तान में IT, ज़राअत, मादनी वसाइल में बेपनाह मौक़े हैं। SIFC सरमायाकारी के लिए इक़दाम कर रही है।
पाकिस्तान में मुतादिद शोबों में सरमायाकारी जारी है।
Here to do the matchmaking. So I would urge you that please look into the possibilities, the potentials Pakistan has, and keep in mind that the labor cost is very competitive right now in Pakistan. So let me assure you, we are all there to help you, to assist you, and this is the high time that you consider doing your B2B joint ventures. And again, it is the first time Prime Minister is leading this conference, which is basically B2B. We are going for a very deep structural reforms. Actually, 2018, when we reached 24th economy, and the PricewaterhouseCoopers projected Pakistan to be the part of G20 within few years. Unfortunately, as I said, we missed the train, but we are working fast track to reach back where we left in 2017.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।